Maven's B6 50mm binoculars deliver impressively bright, sharp views thanks to their large objective lenses and premium extra-low dispersion glass. The combination of a generous 50mm aperture and an efficient Schmidt Pechan prism system makes them especially strong performers in low-light conditions at dawn and dusk. Despite the large front lenses, the design stays relatively compact and manageable, striking a good balance between optical performance and overall size. The 10-power magnification paired with the wide field of view makes it easy to track wildlife and scan landscapes without feeling tunnel vision. Build quality feels solid and refined, with a comfortable armor finish and included neck strap, lens covers, and padded storage bag that make them practical for serious field use. Overall, these binoculars stand out as a high-end, enthusiast-grade option that can legitimately compete with much more famous premium European models.